Hello, hello. Push Maggot to the mat here. So, as you can tell by the... If you're watching this on Twitch, you can tell by the thing that I recently got... Oh, this giant box. If you read the box, it'll tell you. Read the box, it'll tell you what it is. Hard to read, but it's a Victrix Pro Fightstick from PWP. I ordered it. When did I order that? Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday? But it came in this morning, so we're gonna open it up and check it out. So, sorry for if the audio sucks. Hopefully it's fine, but sorry for any background noise you hear as well. See, I won't even take it out of the box. Look at that. Look at that. Now it's time to take it out of the box. This is my third Victrix Pro leverless fight stick, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to talk that a little bit. Okay, so to show you guys what it's supposed to be. When I take it out of the box, it should look something like. Basically, it'll look like this. This is the Ken one from Street Fighter 4. Ironically, they're both red. Yes, I know. The green bat top stick as personal one. My buddy got it for me. So, and these are easily detachable, like so. So, I went with green because it's my favorite color, and I did have the green on my original black one. So, but I'll probably get like a cool looking one, maybe orange for my interior one. No, maybe orange for both of them. Who knows? I don't know what I want to do yet. So, alright, time to dive in. There's the specs on the back of the box. Tells you everything you need to know. So let's see. Control board with touchpad. 3mm detachable USB-C braided cable. Works on the PS5, 4, and the PC. It has a switch underneath it that allows you to do that. Clean, easy to mod layout. 3.5mm audio jack. Rest slope, where you can grab it. Single piece aircraft grade aluminum shell. And it's limited to 250. So, curious on which number I got. And then they did release Tekken ones too, so yeah, I'll be getting the King one from that, hopefully. Again, here is the box. Box is pretty dope. What? Go upstairs. Connor, go play. You give me 1 second here, guys, and then we'll get back to it. Look at my son real quick, so give me just a moment. Go upstairs, brother. Dad! Here. Here, come play. Go play. Go play and go watch Boss Baby. So, let's see here. Oh, sorry about that, but we're putting $10. And it'll be next. I'm opening it. I don't care. I'm wanting this one for a few years. I think they showed it to me last year. Who's on the stairs? So, but just the dog apparently. Go upstairs, Connor. Go upstairs, Bubba. Go. Go. Go play. Alright. Comes with this cool poster. Good old Terry Bogard with it. Full description of who he is and why he kicks ass. So, yes. That's actually, it's pretty badass. I might actually put that in a frame and hang it up. One thing, the cable. Oh, cool, it's a black. So, usually, so with the Street Fighter ones, they came with a purple braided cord. This one comes in with an old black braided cord. It's actually pretty cool. I thought it was purple, but it's just a shade. But no, it's black. Cool. And then one thing that I love about the Victrix, I don't know any other freaking fight stick that does this, but they come in their own carrying sleeve. To me, that just kicks in. So, open it here momentarily. Let's go through the rest of the box. So in the box, gives you a quick startup guide on how to use the damn thing in all different languages. So just something. Here's the ball top stick that I need to attach to play it, but I'll probably just use my green stick. And it usually comes with, nope, that was the other one. Okay, sometimes they come with an instruction manual, but all right, nice. Not so shiny and new. Loving it. Cool. And bye-bye. That is the Terry KOF fight stick. Obviously, I'm going to take that peel off there momentarily, but here it is, ladies and gents. In my hand, in the palm of my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off now because that annoys me. Well, bam. Yeah. Plug it in right there, and then you plug the other into your PC, PS5, PS4, whatever game you're gonna use. So at a 250, I got number 35. So that's fucking cool in my opinion. Now here's the back side of it, obviously, and you just go ahead and you just pop it open like so, and all the wiring, the joystick, and it even has the ball top that comes with it, protected in this little handle area, and it comes with an Allen wrench, so you can do cool shit. So yeah, ladies and gents, that is the Terry KOF fight stick. So, freaking, oh, and see that little purple button right there? This is what controls it between PS4, PS5, and PC. Most of the time, you can just easily plug it in and it works. But that way, if you have it on the computer and it's on PC mode, it'll run like a PC version of it. If you have it on the PS4 mode and you plug it into PS4, it works in PS4, PS5 mode works the same way, but just if you're gonna plug it in, use it to whatever one it's gonna be in. So, also, all right, I'm good. I did what I wanted to do. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Maybe I'll use it and play some KOF. I do want to play some Street Fighter 6 later, so I might use it to break it in, or I might just hold off on using it for a bit. Don't know yet, but again, like I said, thanks for watching, and have a good day.